I would definitely recommend the EPSIP program. It's one of those things where it's very nice to have a program that acknowledges lived experiences and differences that different students have for whatever reasons. And then having that opportunity to get into a field that students may not have had the opportunity to get into before.
So it's been really nice to work very closely with both like Courtney, my manager, and Suzanne, my mentor. She always asks me like how I'm feeling or like what my interests are, how the program is going.
It's more about connections and my relationship with everyone I meet.
The lunches that we have where we get to learn about like professional development have been really helpful.
This internship provided me the opportunity to work with cameras and then bring them into a field where photo and media stuff isn't super represented.
Here, I feel like there's actually great, you can actually learn a lot, and there are different kind of job fields.
And so, like, I'm working in a science field, but I'm not a scientist. And so it's nice to kind of just bring what I do into other fields.
Especially in my field, I was able to go to a few conferences in the sustainable field, and I was the only black woman of color there. So it was nice to see that this program is the reason that I was like put in that space.